She can't describe it. She just feels it's that unspoken pull toward. A man who doesn't try to impress her, who doesn't chase, explain, or see. He walks into a room and her energy shifts, not because of his looks or his status, but because of the calm power he carries, an aura that speaks louder than words. This is not charm. It's not luck. It's the quiet strength of a man who has mastered himself today. We'll uncover the secret aura that women can't explain but always feel, and how you can develop it through timeless Stoic principles. 1. The aura begins with detachment, not distance. Most men think power comes from control, controlling her attention, her feelings, her choices. But the truth, the most magnetic men are detached. Detachment doesn't mean indifference. It means you no longer depend on her reaction to define your worth. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." A Stoic man lives by this. He doesn't beg for attention or validation. He focuses on his mission, his discipline, his peace, and that quiet certainty radiates like gravity. She can feel it even when you say. 2. Calmness is the loudest energy in the room. Chaos makes most men emotional, but calm men, they stand out. When she tests you, argues with you, or tries to provoke emotion, she's subconsciously searching for you. If you stay composed, unbothered, present, you become the emotional anchor she didn't know. Seneca once said, "If a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable." Calmness shows direction. It shows that your emotions serve you, not the other way around. That's why she can't explain it, but she feels safe around it. 3. Purpose is his silent signal of strength. A man who lives for himself, not for approval, glows differently. He's not always available, not because he's playing games, but because his life has meaning. He's building, learning, striving, and that sense of purpose becomes magnetic. Epictetus taught, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." Women can feel when a man walks with vision. His focus says, "I'm not chasing you, I'm chasing something greater," and paradoxically, that's when she chases him. 4. Silence is the language of power. Men often talk too much, trying to impress, explaining themselves, proving value. But the Stoic man knows silence is presence. You don't have to respond to everything. You don't have to argue to win. You don't even have to fill every moment with words. When you can sit in silence and be comfortable, you send a I am enough as I am. As Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, said, "Silence is a lesson learned through suffering. That stillness is your." It draws people in because if he can feel your peace, not your performance. 5. Discipline is the root of magnet. A man who can control his impulses, his emotions, desires, and habits radiates power because most people can't. He's not reactive. He doesn't chase instant pleasure, has consistent, intentional, and women sense that immediately. Discipline signals reliability that says, "I am grounded, you can trust me." Direction. Marcus Aurelius reminds himself daily, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be." Be one. That's the essence of the aura. It's not what you say, it's who you are consistently. 6. The aura strengthens. When you master emotional control, the man who can't feel deeply but express it wisely is. He doesn't suppress emotion, he commands it. When anger comes, when disappointment hits, when love arrives, he stays. This balance is intoxicating to women because emotional control signals emotional safety. It says, "No matter what happens, I won't lose myself." As Seneca said, the greatest remedy for anger is delay. A Stoic man's strength isn't in being cold, it's in bung.com through fire. 7. Thephanolea, self-respect that needs no validation. The true secret behind the aura. You don't chase approval, you don't overgive to earn love. You don't tolerate disrespect just to keep peace. You know who you are, and that's your tainty. That self-command creates a magnetic force no charm can replicate. When you walk in alignment with your values, you become unforgettable, not because of what you have, but because of what you withhold. Neediness, insecurity, desperation. She feels it. She doesn't know why, but she knows she's in the presence of a man who doesn't need her, and that's what makes her want him. This secret aura that women can't explain but feel isn't about looks, wealth, or it's about the invisible energy of a man who's in full control of himself, his mind, his emotions, his focus, and his peace. He doesn't deem, he commands it silently. He doesn't chase validation. He attracts it effortlessly because the more he masters himself, the more the world and women feel drawn to his presence. Remember, you don't need to be louder to be. You just need to be still enough to be felt.